You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, if today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. Click on the red subscribe button and also click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. On the notification bell, you see all. Click on all so that anytime I upload any new video, you will see it. You'll be notified. Alright, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Do well by subscribing. Alright, so, and thanks to all my subscribers. In today's video, I'll be alright, and also do not forget to like the video. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment section there. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a bag strap, okay? Laptop handbag strap, okay? So let's get into the detail of the video. What do you need? You need you need two of this. So you need two of this hook. All right, so it's something you need two of it, and then one adjuster. All right, one adjuster. So the same size of hook and adjuster. All right, so these are the things, and you need your belt. All right, so I'm using 50 inches belt. All right, 50 inches belt. All right, so now let's get into the detail of the video. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is can you see some thread? Come to me. You can see some like thread like stuff, right? So now in order to deal with this, all you need to do is use your lighter to burn it so that it doesn't lose, all right, with time. So burn it. So like this, you have been able to solve that problem. It's not going to lose. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in like this. You can fold in like, okay, let me see, 1 inch. Yes, so this is like 2 inches now folded into two. So I'm going to top stitch on the edge. So make sure you top stitch it like many times. All right, so that it doesn't lose. All right, I'm still going to use my lighter to make it like, if there's any thread, I'll burn it so that it looks very neat. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be fixing my all right, so now the next thing is to fix my adjuster. All right, so now you can see that this is the wrong side, so I will consider this as the wrong side since this is where I'm having my excess, right? So I'm working on my, I believe you're seeing what I'm doing. So I'm going to fix my adjuster. You can see the adjuster here. This is what we call adjuster because it's adjustable, the middle one. Okay, so fix it this way. After doing this, right, then bring your hook. Okay, fix it like this. So see what I have, right? So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pass the same belt back into the center of my adjuster. So can you see what I'm doing? I want you to see it well. So you just pass it right inside. Okay, so you have to be careful with that because I want to pass it inside the adjuster. So I'll use my hand to bring it out. You can see what I have, right? So now this is the adjustable side. This is the one I fix, right? So I'm now going to top stitch on it. If there's any confusion, please let me know. Don't worry, keep checking back, keep watching my videos. With time, I do look for more easier ways of doing things. Okay, so when you watch my next video, I will try and look at if this particular method is difficult for you to understand. You can comment in the comment section. Then I'm going to make another video of a simpler way of doing it. But I believe you should be able to get this. So you see, my back strap is ready. So now let me test it for you to see what we have. All right, so this is my bag, my laptop bag. So let me just use my um, strap, my adjustable strap. I can call it belt, side belt. So it's adjustable actually. So I can adjust it so the size I want. All right, so let me carry my bag. So you can see my adjustable back strap is ready. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well by subscribing. I'm begging you to please subscribe to my channel, and please watch the adverts that will be playing in the course of the video. Please, this is the only way I get a little stipend from the videos you're watching. All right, so thank you so much. Please like the video by clicking the thumbs up. All right, and share this video with your friends that are into bag making. Share the channel link with them. All right, so see you in my next video. I have interesting videos on my channel. Go there, search for Tarron Innovative World. You'll see a lot of videos there you can that will help you to be able to help yourself to be financially strong. So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.